أول حاجة نقول صمود. نقول حبيبي حبيبتنا حبيبي، إن شاء الله بعد عمرك سنة خليك لي خليني إن شاء الله.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, baby, what would you say to your parents? Okay, I will just go on to say thank you for here. Okay, thank you. And that's all. Kids and adults, that's already our hands to sing a happy birthday song to our celebrant.
Leslie.
Okay, let's celebrate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sandra. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, let's celebrate. Okay, now kids, come here at the center, form a circle, and let's have it going. Come. Form a circle. Come here. Come here, baby. Let's form a circle here. Come on. Okay. Here, we're getting forward. Yes, that's it. Okay. Now, we will dance the chicken dance. Okay?
Ako na, Saduki, your favorite.
Chicken dance.
Saduki dance, ha?
Hands up for one.
Sadok.
Put your hands down. Here.
Sadok. Go there, go there.
You have to join. Okay. Kids, hands down. Okay, follow me, okay? Kids, follow me. Both hands up. And then 1, 2, 3. Form a wings. 1, 2, 3. Then swing your legs. 1, 2, 3. Then clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do it faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And clap our hands. Okay. And after that, we have to find a partner. And then turn around like this. Okay? You know it? Okay. Kids, are you ready? Okay.
Sadok.
Nice to hear that.
Baba.
Sawi, ha?
Sawi, yan.
Dance na. Baba. Baba.
يلا بابا أنا وينك
Circle again.
أنا وينك بابا
And then have a
يلا أنا معك بابا خلني برضه